Manipur haibse wathok se loiba naidaba Manipur haibse sagai kunthra manga leibada ati atopa sagai kanagumba lup kharana tokhaina taningba selfish yam oirakpa asigumba Manipur se Manipur khalakta makhoi masagi country gi semakke en khalakpaga group tonga jarukpa sinasuma se yamna luna thokpu in thoi akoine sarkar na yamna line khalluba chamna khalluba sinasu ayamasu oirakpani ahan badai sing na hajaraga maidingu akoigi Gambhir Singh Maharaj amadi makal loinaba akoigi ate punamak mathwai kathokhiba chahi tarek khunta paki matang da ka tobi ba khotpa punamak makoina akoigi imale bak sing ngakpi kopi ba madugumba Gambhir Singh Maharaj pu aina puari de lehurubasa kuna de thangna hudrabani na macha masung aktane aina kok nonjari Manipur bu ngakpi imale pa pu ngakpi be tamakta aduga hojik labada sing hajarabada ngarang honorable chief minister na haigi base makan gi wari shayam na haigi sing na hairabada Manipur de leiba tarbadi hoin iuren Rome be Roman haibu hayem lei adu akoi gi leipak se sagi she lup bacha loine mayam tokai sum leiraga Manipur punmase masagi sagai gi lekai gi chief minister mom leiba lekai gi prime minister mom leiba lekai gi ningdho mom adam se samna hariga Arunachal Pradesh gumba Meghalaya gumba Nagaland gumba Manipur gumba mafam da kunnaman amada ningdho am leiba kunnani da ningdho re nam leiba ningdho kuding kun ningdho pan base makoina khanmana moise koi chief minister ga governor ge wakhando ne pugre Manipur habise ngasain haijabada sagai kunthra mangana pullaga leibane harauta yamna nuaina lermani yamna nuaina Manipur habise tangdoleta leiba Manipur all India the state ma oiramya karmain tawge harekpada ngasai ge ina ching kunnamagi sin dhau lerakpa jat amasi lerakpa kunnamagi sin dhau lerakpa jat am lerakpa makan punamak sin ai sin dhauni ma sin dhauni haidana mase mon tokai taning pagi maning makha tawning pagi torpa mioi sing sin selfish or pading se Manipur sa koi wabne Manipur se democratic norms the democracy gi mong the koi leiri bani hojik mamang the ning tambale pak leiri tanjar ning dhauna palam tanjadun amuk tongale ngasi democracy lei haidana democracy haibe tarde democratic ki maki norms amati mai chanabi chatpatar but the duly elected oiba musing legislature oiba makoina ngatona ayama pugudum adu boni jarakta dana haji moi chin kuki jo haribe sagai amana sa hogulei kanna akoina koide pairaba power ne akoide mi hatpa ngambani akoide mi punamulana tumba ngambani atuman ngambani poppy plantation de taraga listing crore talaga koi Manipur se koi mache thugan dori bani masi koi Christian country ma shame go dori bani Donald Lu kon ka laga toromi be code weapon ma masi laldoman ka America de chatna kotre mijo country shame bai tamakta chin kuki joge country se mak bai tamak tawro khotna tori pun ma se too much freedom mai be jam na ning tambase hen na pisangi ba akoini yam line khalluba micham ni chingdali mini yam na moi mabuk chen sengmani mabuk pabani tamdali ba koi di kharbu ama khanai ama mari jani modi tawdabani habise makoi pandam ama makoi target ama koi na mapan thammaga Manipur da tokai tana be maning da toram singa singarangi natte aduni same na hari be se manam ming o sagai pandarbasu who are those group haibedo may action ngasi akoi thoibe sine adun Manipur de leibe tarbadi you forget your community you forget your race or your religion all are we are same Hindu chapajai Muslim chapajai Christian chapajai Chin kuki obijai Tangkul obijai Maring obijai Maram obijai Mao obijai Mite obijai Pangan obijai everybody has got the equal rights say leminacy hingminacy punna as per the democratic norms the chief minister amana Chin kuki jogishu chief minister oibijai Mao gishu chief minister oibisu jai the Tangkulgisu Kara Urami, Panganisu Urami, Meti Shu or Massime, popular Mayam, Punamak, popular leader to Kalaga, Janing Buddha Mayam, Torul Chatma. So this is called democracy norms. Democracy norms are Jaraktanam, Hajimoino forcibly Todanam, Tauraga, Nampu Sasanda, by hook or by crook, Manipur se balkanized the Holaga, Akuyati, Topa country saying money, not only the state. Haina Kaliba say, this is a very serious thing. Every section of Manipur citizen Punamulan Kangadabani. This is a very serious thing. And Manipur, the balkanized the Honda, we must stop and we must take the proper action to those defaulters, I do lay. Aduna Chief Minister na Pandrasu, as a government head among a particular man among Pandrasu, we know it. Who is trying to balkanize and who feel and those people who are illegal immigrants near Dusu. Lamsi pok pasunataba. Aduli masi punamagase tauri punamase taudaba pai moy, but they will not listen it. Moinde taudur me do or die haidana. Haji moine tauri punama group sinam tauri punamase Manipur se wahan ba kotpa mi bu hatokpa kotokpa chalan da bom lang janba drum na kapsan ba kocham na tauri punama this design mase moy last till their last bit makoi taukigani akoi in a proper way akoi thagnadaba jate Manipur balkanized tauna no honor ko mi didi Manipur da tangdu letana lehelo dige honor ko mi sing didi we must face till the last breath. Aduna ko sagay punamu achum punamu se loina punna ko himined jade and those people who contravene law of Manipur mokoy tokaine taba let them go out from Manipur. Aduna man hairi basa I fully endorse him hairi basa madam di akoi mase manung da manadaba konadaba leba punama but this should be within the ambit within the purview of the Indian constitution manung da legedabne aina to khaitani nga haine heta aina koi to khain ai Manipur da mache tara hai bese yaba natte digum angau buge tabagne kayam kuna mo mi hat kani kayam kuna lambi thingane let's see government of India lady but government of India is too slow government of India noina to bese koi pamde noina wain Pajani Jendabi green Haja Hore Punama say Natrabadi Noni Tauga within a 1 or 2 days solution the Yabani. Aduna Amrita this is my submission to you in Hajiri say Aduna Manipurtang Duleta lay Haita the Kumiam Luna Punna Laminamataba Saga Mana group Amani Yadrabasu majority of 34 community Manarabadi we can handle the situation and we can bring peace. Me group amana manager that's called the Manipur. So far 34 community or hundreds and thousands and lakhs people so we should not pay much attention. Every one of us we know we should condemn it and we must find out some way to deport them those illegal immigrants masina koi demand same as the head of the government ni man hairak pasi yamna khanna nainaraga gyantani in brief the hairak paduna su amuk su en phagadra ai suggestion ni it's my sincere request to shame he is the spokesman and he is the all in all and he is the head of the government I say low rabni aduna shame hari se karino kadai bu chumi chumde ai madudi khangde aduga wam khakangdi aina government daina hangachaning badi yangbiu hongbu chawbu amana aigi demand haibase scheduled tribe haibase kanano haibeda how haibase scheduled tribe sibu indigenous inhabitant bu how kawiya metei so how ramani metei how leiba tangkul so how ni adigi mau so how ni ama so how ni how haibate indigenous inhabitant ni adu akoi gi interpretations the how haibase akoi ni khaditang wangang wahi wata se chingdaliba mi se khara sota huwa tamdaliba akoi na so called we are forward we are upper caste higher caste super caste kan masana masabu yam na pongjabo this is absolutely wrong aduna kasi how haibate fatabasanate achumani metei how metei sa how ne how haibate indigenous inhabitant sibu kobani scheduled tribes of indigenous inhabitant ni metei habisa hana se scheduled tribe ki status the akoi government of India the lagtri mamang akoi punna ko leminaramani same the ko leminaramani adu akoi se Hinduization o hibi tanjadigi 1704 दिगिना 1709 की द्वाई दिगी सु मथंग मथंग तौगी दिरी अखोई से हायर कास्ट अपर कास्ट सुपर कास्ट न चखी बदगी मसिगी डिवीजन जे हरपदे अखोई पुंसी अखोई सक्तम मांग पदे फरे मदुमा क्लोज चैप्टर वइखसे अदन शेड्यूल ट्राइब की डिमांड कमिटी मखन मखन ग्रुप STDCM amadi MMTU amadati ti sagai punta tanba haibase it is our fundamental rights tan bane adu aina schedule tribe to akun ipai pu haktang da leram akoi amuk schedule tribe to hanjanige tan bada nothing wrong kana uma schedule tribe to koi channing de haibado moi chandar to lalita madhav koina moine yamna haire singye na moine taurumbane lalita madhav ne binod bihari ne banka bihari koina taurumbane matamdu moine kari khalle no kari sagai na moi gangde ai moine taurumbadigi mathang muthol len puang mang majmasi wari am sangre masi am moi di horokta akhuye pungtum tumna loi gibane bharat sarkar na se challu hairam bani everything loina adu koi higher caste upper caste super caste na chakhi with moi sagai am chobu singna moine taurumdu koi di akhui sagai ton mane lalita madhav koi de ni yamongam se adi pungwang mar pung to kre adu government na asem da khanda bi bejay schedule tribe tan badigi chin kuki jorna makoina torok lan hai bis masai katang reservation katang leje reservation lei haiber tadi aina community amo oidna aina peacefully schedule tribe demand akoi hanadigi koi lejer koi machang jigi hana demand to bada nothing wrong kanaguma tribal amada community amada target torubunate akoi fundamental rights akon mullubunate akoi ne kariguma demand amat tawjabad who the hell they are I say very proudly who the hell they are and who are those people kari matik leidun akoi ne karigum tanjabad nakoi ne tanbad nakoi ne ta phangong to banoi phangi akoi se hingbai tamata hana lejerum pm no hanjalan biu haidna akoi ne tanjabad akoi na tawbud kanano kuri thingadori se kanano thingma tarabadi madu chapchan madu face to batama aduna akoi ne schedule tribe demand tanbai tamakta chin kuki jo terrorist singshina makoi ne masilan hobune se ai katang reservation katang de leijai maramdi hoi oram se jai oram de se tawbatarabadi why other communities are not involved Tangkul lady, Mau lady, Maram lady, Adi Tado lady, Madu lady, Dune Punamuksul lady. Why only Chin Kuki Jo, particularly so called a coin Chilutra, Tanbi, Tamaktani, Haidan Toribase, Toris. I think Masakatan a reservation lady. Young View, Aina Kangjabada. A Chin Kuki Jo Haina Toriba say, Makoina Toriba, Manipur se Pura, Moina. Shudjagrahan or Chandagrahan kaina yamna pamjabal loan the akoina midel unna tawrabne mayang olabne koi de mayang loan da harabada Shudjagrahan solar eclipse kain tawdumane tawraga pura chathukine tawbase this is a long term plan ne chin kuki jo nang schedule tribe tan ma oi oram sa jai khajikara chin kuki jo ne schedule tribe akoina tale haibi tamakta bulldozer mayam puraga nongmai mayam pairaga Mili sing mani manga chatpasibu karamba community the just akona schedule tribe tale procession nama chatki highway tamakta mitei punamak pul loina balik bakraina phangma punam durga puja da hamenga mangkak pa thak puja da ka khundok pudu mane to sibu is it because just chin kuki jona schedule tribe tan na tel lenga karigmai na hairi che lalaga ayungak pe as per my perception, as per my opinion, they have got a different tendency. Chin kuki jo na Manipur digi sharuk ase terrorist sanction khaido kharga laldoma ko ye makha da tawraga Bangladesh ko lona pullaga Donald Lu ko ne tawrbudu mana pura koi terror koi Christian country ma same na ba like Timor Indonesia di khaido kriba Portugal na leramba mafam Palambadi mafam the Christian gi mache da lehoba Portugalese sing ayamadi chakre adu mohinam lehoba the madu one country ma shame ba torok pani aduna this is a long plan torok patanjani matang se tahurage haidana amda kani je wo kari gi tangkul gi group ta mau gi group ta ati group ta atai group ta kari men ta wa mata tawdurga nong mai paira mai ampuna musa hat kani khot kani aina pungtum to na mai tha dana khotana hat po khot po to puna musa is it because just metina chin schedule tribe ki procession khre chat pai tamang ta to bani highway se I have some reservation maduna aina khanjabada makhoi se long term ko tawna lakpani manipur gi lamse manipur se very soft target ni mone tawning da tobu yagani bureaucracy makhoni heli fattabul loksing makhona khoidi heli asam dasu loine chin ku ki jo loine tari madigi ku ki tripura su tari madi bangladesh su tari asam dasu tari manipur su tari tripura dasu tari atete mafam punamak se loina tan machet amam kathala loin lawrga pulga tan shema taga mukum chuba tan mong de shema sarga madu lep kene torpani policy highways is an ai perception ni I think I may not be wrong totally yangbu makoi ge tamakta manipur da lami ba evangelist sing lamaga america and the geopolitics the america is very much behind it. And China, of course, China the matam punamutai India ku thingjan bai se le akoi matang thingjan ba thingjan der kangde but the America she is thickly involved, very thickly involved. Evangelist ma'am US tagi la kholga tawraga koi gi land da changa da ba dress mayam camouflage ki dress mayam ga shela kholga bulletproof jacket ka jelammi ba why an evangelist coming from America and why he is supposed to distribute the bulletproof jacket madigi koi kari hunting boot ka kari atishayam yauna related to the war affair gi changmai tamakta evangelism na sumainta no jen ba hona bra kindly just tell me evangelism ni jen gi jel with the bible ma jelam bajai apabo wahi mahiram bajai I have not seen such kind of an obnoxious and despicable behavior of an evangelist coming from America adi mana toromiba aduna tapadam land kujukulai punam lone pi khotan toromission and the land preaching the bolamani no shi tagudam shi no these are all absolutely thickly connivance with the America and akoigi evangelistic group American gi Baptist church ki moisu jawbugum tawi tawdam pungthu thugaire moibu shagul lamaga tawriga loni chepngatani they are in hand in glove punamak Mizoram or chin ku jo tari punamak complete pullaga most probably backed by with America and the American Baptist Church Council or makan gi tawd not the laldo man chala America daga manaka nganguri punamak without the approval without the blessing of the America and without the blessing of the American Baptist Church Council natana how dare he spoke so much that as if that the Manipur is under his control, a command and control toba corporate. Punamase, these are all geopolitics. Manipur ko yam section yam darkar lay manamaduna. CM sabna high base only scheduled tribe demand tanbi tamakta di high base mase kitang reservation delay khara oram masujai oram dusujai but as per my perception and my evaluation is absolutely they have got a separate tendency and they have a meticulous plan kaniguma wahi amadagi aina mi ma kupang na tharu sa ina puning na phuru bas aina haigana mana ngudi ilakpadigi ai tawru bani haidana makhana ba hoba lammun ge hoba lammun matne lampura mun gredana aduna masi punamak ai lenga tangachage yamna wana lady yamna kodong thin lady ai pok sarmuni chief minister su ai kangjai yado kitang munne jengbiu aduna masi nakan punamak kari tawru pagadage hai say let the new governor let him also look into it. Government of India I have less trust government of India maram din ko ne to honmang aktadi lotion gedi numinini the lotion me yabani aduna I have no confidence of the government of India. I feel sometimes that I am a non-Indian. I say again Bharat Sarkar I consider myself sometimes I am a non-Indian because of your attitude, because of your unbecoming behavior. I then aduna yamna lui CM Hairi versus CM so government of India manudalai badina within the ambit of certain guidance and the rules the maka the high the bayade adu in fact in the reality the young patanjada there are so many things so many loopholes aduna chin kuki jo nabu kanogi scheduled tribe ki demand to bodigi mushawri ne hai adu di mayam punamak kuigi kanogi drugs mayam loina thadana crore paisa tala bim yam shihalliba halaliba punamak shishu moina kuigi schedule tribe tan badi oramgadrene adudi natte do makuigi policy programs kuigi government state intelligence. I do not know how you're feeding the state intelligence to the government of Manipur. Chief Minister Masan Manhaigi, since last 15 months, I have no intelligence input. What a very, very embarrassing position. The person who is the head of the government, he is supposed to receive the first information report every time, every moment, either in a special report or in a daily summary information, or makan the daily anirak ahumlag reports say no in a pidraman pangadaba at a glance, because state is to work, state is to function under the guidance of the state intelligence. The CM hari ai thatara mga ai karim the intelligence input phangde. So oh God, ai but prithvi di ihan hanman haina khalli. I feel very embarrassed. Aisha Chief Minister ahum gaisha OSD on legeri. I am fully aware it. Morning amatharakani the information, afternoon amatharakani, late evening amatharakani. This is called the state function intelligence. Manipur is a big state. Makoi function de khangdre. But I have worked with the Chief Minister, 3 Chief Minister. I am fully aware it. Ada nungaite, ada tori punamase, kanani chumi chumde, ada de koi na yengmatai. But we are in the loss. By any means, Manipur balkanized. Let the government say anything what she likes, what the people want. We want that Manipur cannot part way even 1 inch, and we want that these illegal immigrants, punamak lone deportation taugadabani. Something like that. Let us forget scheduled tribe or issue on other. Aran madudi aran matandhoki legality jeng dabi jadi achum mamido. Lakpos 51 mamang the lakpos legislation 51 matung the lapo they be reported without any further discussion. Something comes again.